Hey everyone, Jackie here, and I have been getting asked a lot what happens when your quiz taker gets a tie in the quiz, which result will they get? So let's say you have a personality quiz set up and you're correlating answers to specific results. Let's say you ask 6 questions total, and 3 of those answers correlate to result A, and the other 3 answers correlate to result B. The quiz taker is going to get the result that appears in your Interact dashboard first. So in this case, they're going to all get result A. If you want to break a tie, ask an odd number of questions so that they'll always have 1 point over another result, hopefully getting them to the more accurate result for them.